In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic glitch effect, but more than just a realistic glitch, I will also show you how to create a transporter effect. If you are new to my channel, my name is James and I create video and tutorials to help you to leverage tech so that you can create greater impact in your life. To create this realistic glitch effect, the first thing that you need to do is actually to shoot a suitable clip. I've shot this scene intentionally, and the way I wanted to shoot it is so that there will be a section where I am inside, and then there is a section at the beginning, or you can also do it on a different clip where you are not in the scene. Now once you have that done, what you need to do is actually to drag this onto your track here. I'm going to use this section as the clip at the bottom, and then the next thing that you need to do is actually to place this up onto this other track, the section that you want, and this part is the part that I want. So I'm just going to split this over here. Next, I'm going to delete the section that I do not want. Now, because of my section over here is a little bit short, what I'm going to do is to extend it by changing the speed. I right click and go to speed and duration, and then I'm going to change this to say somewhere in the region of 0.1. It's a little bit too long, it's okay, we can trim this over here. Delete the parts that I do not want. Zoom in a bit to the timeline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, split the clip on top, move again approximately 5 frames, split it again. You don't really have to have exact width, but it would be good to actually keep it approximately there. The next thing that we need to do is actually to slowly make the transporter effect. So because it is a glitch effect and it's glitching, so go to the video and double click on this track here, click on compositing, and we're going to adjust the opacity of this clip. If you just want the glitch effect without the teleportation effect, all you need to do is just to leave the opacity alone and leave it at 100%. Next, what you want to do is use the distortion, glitch distort, and we're going to put this down to the glitch distort here. And if you hover over here, you'll notice that this distortion is like this. Now this doesn't look very realistic. The next step we want to do is go to search for a mask, and we will use a shape mask. So select the shape mask and drag it down onto the clip here, double click on the clip again, and you will go to video effects, open up, you will notice that there is a glitch and there is also a shape mask. Now you can adjust the alpha of this glitch, which actually show how strong the effect that you want. I'm going to lower it a little bit, and I'm going to go to the shape mask, and I'm going to change the shape of the glitch effect. First, by changing the width, I just want me to glitch. And you can also adjust the width of this mask here. So next, what you want to do is to feather this effect, okay, so that the mask isn't so distinct. And I'm going to do it for the same for the next frame over here. Maybe say about this frames, 4 frames down, this particular one. So you don't need to do it for every frame. I'm going to do the same for this section here. And then at the end of this, I'm going to do another section, and I'm going to do this to make it like a transporter effect, and I will actually do the same. Now that it's completed, the timeline it should look something like this. So let's take a look at how it goes. Wouldn't it be great if you can just snap your fingers and transport yourself elsewhere? Whoops, sorry, there's a glitch. Let's try that again. It works! I hope that you have benefited from this tutorial. If you want more information about other tutorials on the Filmora 9, check out my playlist here, and remember to subscribe so that you will be notified whenever I release a new video.